Hello everybody, my name is Jack Sim. I'm the founder of the World Toilet Organization. Our history, the World Toilet Organization started in 2001 on 19th of November, which is called World Toilet Day. We went to so many countries in the world to talk about toilets. We also work with politicians, with bureaucrats, with university, with celebrities, movie stars, and singers. And we also work with the young people. And I think in Mongolia, the young people is very, very important as a driver for a much more beautiful future, clean and dignified Mongolian lifestyle in the toilet. Why is toilet so important? Toilet is about dignity, especially for women. It's about safety for health. It's about environment, and it's about the productivity of people when they don't get sick. So I think that we should talk about toilets, and it's very, very nice that the World Toilet Organization is now in partnership with World Vision to promote sanitation and drive demand for sanitation in Mongolia. I think that we can learn from so many past experience that we have successes in transforming China's sanitation condition. In India, where there's no toilet, we worked with the Prime Minister Modi to build 110 million toilets. In China, in 2004, the Beijing was preparing for the Olympics, and the sanitation condition, especially public toilet, was very, very poor. And we renovated 6,000 public toilet blocks together with the Beijing municipality government and the Beijing Tourism Bureau. And after that, it was a big success. Everybody loved the Olympics. Nobody talks about the toilet because it was good. Now we are going into the rural area to improve school sanitation and home sanitation. But I think it's a very good place to start. Will be in the city capital of Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia, and also with tourism toilets. Tourists goes everywhere. Yeah, Mongolian toilet campaign led by World Vision, and we're very glad to be a partner of it. Is not just a one-off thing. This is a long-term project. And if we start with design contests, if we start with promoting the awareness, the more activity there is, the more demand you will drive for sanitation. And when that happens, I think Mongolia will be the same as a lot of other countries that we have helped. I'll just give you a personal example. We should not have those long drop toilets that is frozen in the winter and flooded in the summer and spread diseases like hepatitis, like diarrhea. And I think that you deserve better. For myself, growing up in Singapore, in 1965, Singapore sanitation condition was very, very poor. And Singapore was a poor country. And because we improved the sanitation, we improved the health of the people, then we train them to take up jobs and become productive and earn money. And the foreign investor come because there's a talent who are not sick. And we are, of course, together with education, the environment, you put your population healthy, you get a progressive country. And Mongolia is right now at a point where it is going to be a very successful country, and I want to be part of the Mongolian success. Let's work together and let's make this Mongolian sanitation condition solved. And I look forward to come to Mongolia and work with everybody. Bye-bye.